In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get started with Microsoft Copilot using pre-made prompts. If you're looking to harness the power of AI to streamline tasks and improve productivity, then Microsoft's Copilot could be a game changer for you. Let's dive into the process and set you up for success with this tool. To begin, open your preferred web browser and go to Google. Google is a great starting point for almost any kind of search because it can direct you to the most relevant and official resources you might need. In the search bar, type in Microsoft Copilot. Here, you're essentially looking to find the official page where Microsoft hosts information and access to the Copilot service. By doing this, you ensure that you're landing on the most reliable source for setting up and using Copilot without any unnecessary detours. Once the search results populate, look through the options and click on the link that leads to the official Microsoft Copilot website. This step is crucial because it takes you to the official Microsoft Copilot page, where you'll find the resources you need to get started with ease. Accessing the right site not only ensures that the information is accurate, but also up to date, especially since tools like these can receive frequent updates or changes. When you arrive on the Microsoft Copilot website, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface and layout. The next step is to explore the pre-made prompts that Copilot offers. Pre-made prompts are essentially starter suggestions or templates that Microsoft provides to help you understand and utilize the capabilities of Copilot more effectively. These prompts are designed to guide you in crafting requests or tasks that Copilot can handle, giving you a practical framework to work within. Using these pre-made prompts can save you a lot of time and effort, especially if you're new to working with AI tools. They provide a structured way to engage with Copilot and can help you jumpstart your productivity. You might find prompts related to drafting emails, summarizing documents, or even generating creative content. Choose prompts that align with your needs or tasks you're looking to automate or improve. As you select a prompt, you'll typically find that the interface might give you an example or further instructions on how to use it effectively. Take advantage of this structured help to refine how you interact with Copilot. You'll be maximizing its potential to suit your needs, all while getting comfortable with the process. And that's all there is to getting started with Microsoft Copilot using pre-made prompts. Remember, the key is to explore, experiment, and find out what works best for you. By leveraging these easy-to-use prompts, you'll be well on your way to integrating AI seamlessly into your daily routine. Thank you for watching, and happy computing!